Hi guys! So usapang National Learning Camp na naman tayo for the end of school year 2024. So pangalawang taon na po ito ng pag-implement ng National Learning Camp at hindi na po ito bago sa atin lalo na sa DepEd Learning Camp volunteers. So makikita po natin sa screen ang important timelines from the early registration hanggang sa last day of the National Learning Camp. At kailangan po natin na magbigay ng early registration template sa ating mga estudyante at sa kanilang parents because they're going to sign parents consent template. So kung hindi po papayag ang parents, so wala po tayong magagawa. And for the engagement of learning camp volunteers, no, April 10 to 26, Call for Learning Camp Volunteers or LCVs. So ano ba yung LCV? Refers to a DepEd or non-DepEd licensed teacher who renders tailored instructional services to a target group of learners within the specific period. So, sino ba yung non-LCVs? Ito yung the remaining let eligible applicants in RQs who are not given appointments or other let eligible in the locality na nanggaling sa private schools, ISUCs or LUCs, and other teaching practitioners. So, other let eligible teachers applicant in the above-mentioned RQs who did not meet the cut-off score per existing DepEd hiring guidelines. So, alam naman natin kung ano din tong DepEd LCV. Sila no yung hired, yung appointed, or permanent regular teaching staff of Department of Education. So, yun, yung last year, ito yun. And of course, ano ba yung kailangan natin para sa o ano yung minimum qualifications for LCVs? So, yung bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 units in education. So, hindi na po kailangan ang training, experience, at yung eligibility ay kailangang licensed professional teacher. So, yung age po nila at least 21 years old but not more than 59 years old at preferably residente po siya ng community kung saan po nandun po yung school. And of course, we have these templates in the engagement of LCV. So, mag-a-apply po sila sa ating school and then naka-list po lahat ng applicants for the recommendation on hiring and assessment. So, i-assess po yung kanilang documents. And of course, for the deployment of assignments of LCBs, nakalagay na po sa ating screen. So, with training or experience in teaching and teaching reading po, yung sa grades 1 and 3. For the grades 1 to 3, mathematics with training or experience in teaching mathematics. For grades 7 to 10, ay English with specialization in English. And so forth. So, dahil makikita naman natin sa screen, so there's no need for me to explain. Okay, so ano ba yung matatanggap natin? So, last year, nakatanggap po tayo ng 250 per day. So, ngayon, for the DepEd LCVs, nakatulad ko kasi permanent, regular employee na po ako ng DepEd. So, makakatanggap po ako ng vacation service credits and national level certificate of recognition and of course, meal expense of 250 per day of actual service. So, bawat araw po na ma-render po ni teacher sa pagtuturo during the NLC ay bibigyan po siya ng meal allowance or meal expense po ng 250 pesos. So, yung non-DepEd LCV, sila po yung hindi pa permanent or hindi pa po nakapasok pero nag-apply na po sila sa DepEd or meron po silang license as or meron silang eligibility ng LET. So, Certificate of Service Rendered, a National Certificate of Recognition and Remuneration based on the daily minimum wage set by the National Wages and Productivity Commission. So at the end of the NLC or the last day of NLC, DepEd and non-DepEd LCVs ay mag-generate po ng National Certificate of Recognition sa pamagitan po ng pag-accomplish ng online survey tool. So, yung ibang incentives mentioned above, ito po ay ipaprocess po ng ating mga SDO. So, ipinapakita po sa screen kung ano-ano yung mga functions ng LCVs. So, sila ay magpa-facilitate ng learning delivery, sila ay magka-contextualize ng lesson plans and other NLC resources, mag-track ng learner progress kung mayroong mga significant difference doon sa pre- and post-test nila or post-assessment. So, collaborative expertise sessions and coordinates with the teacher and advisors before and after NLC. Nature of engagement of non-DepEd LCVs. So, yung mga non-DepEd LCVs shall be hired under job order status. So, subject to relevant and applicable policies, issuances, rules, and regulations. So, yung mga non-DepEd LCVs po natin ay mabilong po sila sa job order. So, they shall be engaged for a period of 3 to 5 weeks. So, they shall render 4 hours and 30 minutes of actual teaching from Tuesdays to Thursdays with collaborative expertise on Mondays and Fridays. So, saan ba natin kukunin yung funds? So, just tulad last year, so, processed po ng STOs. Naghingi po sila noon ng list or ilang ba ang actual na regular permanent teacher or ng volunteer in a certain school. Okay. So, ito po, other exists, any excess after the 2024 NLC and end of school year break activities and payment of all expenditures related herein may be used for other NLRP-related activities. Yan po. Ano ba yung magagastos natin? Saan ba natin igagastos yung ating NLC fund? So, ito po yung para sa printing and reproduction, payment for mail expenses ng ating DepEd LCV or non-DepEd LCV, and expenses related to conduct of orientation sa pagkandak po ng NLC ng 2024. So, tulad din po last year, meron po tayong iba't ibang groups. Depende po yun sa pag-assist natin sa bata kung anong level niya po. Okay, so budget shall not exceed 300 pesos per box in the following. 1. The orientation for district facilitators to be conducted by chief facilitators. So the district facilitators are PSDSs, school heads, MTs, and teachers. So mayroon po ding 1 the orientation of LCVs to be conducted by the chief facilitators. So there are procedures po in requesting additional funds. Okay, so all regional NLC coordinators, magkakaroon po sila ng reporting at mag-o-oversee po sila ng utilization of the funds. Of course, tulad din po last year ay nagkaroon din po tayo ng accomplishment report. Okay, so lagi po nating tandaan na leaders are people who can see potential where others see roadblocks, and they surround themselves with very capable people who can make the impossible possible. So yan po ang sabi ni John Baldoni. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa aking discussion at i-enjoy po natin ang National Learning Camp ng End of School Year 2024. Bye!